In the soft glow of a 19th century morning, a secret was unfolding, a secret that would change our understanding of the world. In 1856, as America was a nation divided by conflict and constrained by societal limits, Eunice Foote, a visionary and brave scientist, prepared her apparatus. With simple glass cylinders, thermometers, and the relentless warm sunlight, she embarked on an experiment that held the key to a truth buried deep in our atmosphere. Imagine a time when a woman's voice was seldom heard, yet hers resounded with clarity and purpose. In her modest laboratory, Eunice meticulously observed the behavior of gases under the sun's heat. As she directed streams of light through her delicate instruments, one gas, in particular, seized her attention: carbon dioxide. This common gas, present in our very air, absorbed warmth like a hidden reservoir, clinging to heat long after ordinary air had cooled. In that moment, Eunice deduced something revolutionary. If our Earth should ever experience an increase in carbon dioxide, then the planet itself would warm. This was the embryonic discovery of what we now know as the greenhouse effect, a concept that would eventually mold the way we comprehend climate change. Yet her groundbreaking findings would soon face an injustice that echoes through history. At a prestigious scientific conference, Eunice's meticulously gathered research was presented not by her hand, but by a male colleague, a shadow that erased her presence from the annals of scientific achievement. In that somber hall, her empty seat symbolized not just a missed opportunity, but a deliberate suppression of her genius. The truth of her work would be buried under layers of prejudice and societal bias, leaving the world unaware of the woman who had proven a vital environmental secret decades before it was recognized by mainstream science. As we flash back to that period, the tension of unacknowledged brilliance fills the air. Eunice Foote, determined and unyielding, embodied the spirit of an unsung hero, a pioneer whose discovery was both a scientific triumph and a declaration of her belief in social justice. Her contribution extended beyond the realm of experimental science. It whispered of a deeper call for equity and recognition for all women whose voices were too often silenced. Today, we see the repercussions of her overlooked legacy in the unmistakable signals of our modern climate crisis. Modern visual landscapes present factories billowing dark smoke, raging wildfires devouring ancient forests, and oceans slowly warming under the relentless assault of carbon emissions. These images, as stark and unsettling as they are, resonate with the spirit of Foote's early experiments. The greenhouse effect she identified now underpins an environmental warning that we cannot afford to ignore. In the interplay of historical reenactments and contemporary imagery, her pioneering vision emerges as both a scientific revelation and a voice for the marginalized. The injustice of Foote's exclusion from scientific discourse is not merely a relic of the past. It is a cautionary tale that reminds us of the cost of silencing gifted minds. Her story, echoing from the echo chambers of history, challenges us to rethink the narratives we choose to celebrate. When her work was overshadowed by the recognition given to later experiments, like those of John Tyndall, we witnessed not only a personal tragedy but also a systemic failure that continues to influence how history is written. Her calm and resolute face now bridges the gap between past and present, a reminder that while scientific discoveries may endure through time, the recognition of those who make them can be perilously fragile. The legacy of Eunice Foote is a dual legacy, one of scientific excellence and another of a call for social justice. Her discovery was a testament to the power of observation and intellect, while the manner in which it was dismissed serves as a stark warning against the forces of prejudice. Today, as we stand on the precipice of further environmental challenges, we are called to remember and honor those like Eunice Foote. Her voice, once silenced, continues to speak across the centuries, urging us to acknowledge both the power of science and the necessity for equality. Let us honor Eunice Foote's legacy by recognizing the contributions of all overlooked scientists and advocating for gender equality in science today.